The government of Jamaica recently imposed a hefty tax on sugary drinks, claiming they are the main cause of the country's high diabetes rate. Let's reason this out. I've seen many people who say they don't drink soda or other sugary beverages, yet they consume bread, biscuits, dumplings, rice, and similar staples every day. These are central to Jamaican cuisine. Foods such as yam, sweet potatoes, dasheen, and Irish potatoes are complex carbohydrates, which means they take longer to break down into sugar, so blood sugar doesn't spike as quickly as it does with white rice or dumplings. You still have to watch how often you eat them and portion size. Irish potatoes, however, are an exception. Although they are complex carbs, they break down rapidly, acting almost like simple sugar. Eating a cup of mashed potatoes can spike blood sugar just as much as drinking 2 bottles of soda. The real culprit behind Jamaica's high diabetes rate is insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps move glucose, or sugar, from the blood into the body's cells where it's used for energy. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, glucose builds up in the blood, leading to type 2 diabetes. I believe the true reason the government implemented the sugary drink tax is financial. They know people won't stop buying sugary drinks, regardless of the cost, so the tax will generate significant revenue. It has less to do with diabetes prevention and more to do with profit.